Words have power, words have magic, and today our little magicians from class 1 are here to enchant us with their imagination. On the bright morning of 4th September, the corridors of Birla Public School Ganganagar echoed with excitement and creativity as our young learners from class 1 stepped into the world of storytelling through their special event शब्दों का जादू.
एक महल में एक राजा रहता था. उसकी एक
With just a handful of words given to them, simple, playful, and full of possibility. Each child crafted their own sentences, their own story, and their own spark of magic, from tales of talking animals to adventures in Candylands. Their imaginations soared beyond the classroom's walls. Birla Public School Ganganagar a step ahead.